Okay. আচ্ছা, envelope of curves, এটা হচ্ছে লেকচার সিরিজ 1, ঠিক আছে? এটা ছেড়ে দাও। ডেফিনেশন অফ দ্য এনভেলপ। ওকে, বিফোর দ্যাট একটু স্ক্রিনটা খুলে নিই। আচ্ছা, তোমরা বোর্ডটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ? ক্যান ইউ সি দ্য বোর্ড? ওকে। হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে, একজন বললেই হবে। আচ্ছা, পাওয়ার পয়েন্টের বোর্ডটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ? পাওয়ার আচ্ছা, গুড, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, ঠিক আছে। আমি আমি স্লাইড শো মোডে না রেখে আমি এই মোডে রাখছি। দেখো তো সবাই পরিষ্কার দেখতে পাচ্ছ না? বড় বড় মোডে, স্লাইড শো মোডে রাখলে পরে দেখতে পাবে। এই মোডে রাখলে, এই মোডটা ভালো বোধহয় নাকি?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। Now we are going to introduce a new subject. Before that, we have completed this concavity and convexity and point of inflection. Now, the new chapter, envelope. This is the envelope, definition of the envelope. Now, what does the envelope means? Envelope of a family of curves. Now you see that this represents a family of curves. Okay, how that represents? Okay, how that represents? Okay, let me show you how that represents a family of curve. Now we know that y is equal to fx plus y is equal to fx represents a curve, is not it? Y is equal to fx represents a curve, is not it? Yes, y is equal to fx represents a curve. Y is equal to fx represents a curve. Say x square plus a square plus y square plus b square is equal to 1. So this can be written as some function of x, y, a, b, okay, is equal to 0. Okay, so this can also be when there are two constants here. Okay, if the constants, number of constants is 1, so we can read it as y c. First of all, we shall start with this type of curve. Okay, now this curve is a family of curve. Because it is called family of curve, because c, for c is equal to say 1, we will create a curve. For c is equal to 2, we get another curve. For c is equal to 3, we get another curve. Okay, so say suppose circles, concentric circles or concentric ellipse, okay, or this curve. Now you see the value of the constants differs the curves, but the center remains same. But it may be like this. Okay, it may be like this. In this way, there may be another family of the curves. So family of curves represents a series of curves representing the same, representing some values with fixed values of c. Okay, now see, so definition like this. আবার কে ঢুকলো? Envelope of a family of curve is that curve. So envelope of the family of the curve. So family of the curve, equation of the family of the curve is this, and envelope of this family of the curve is that curve. So is a curve which touches every member of the family of the curves. So touches every members of the family of the curves, and each point of the curve, that means of the envelope, is touched by some members of the family of the curves. That means the curve envelope at each point of which is touched by some members of the family of the curves. But touch, remember the word touch, that means it will touch the envelope. Okay, so a mathematical description of the family of the curves is this, what I explained just now. Where C is one, we call this C as the parameter and representing the family of the curves. The family of the curves generates from choice of the value of the C. If you choose the value of the C as a fixed point, then you will get a single member of the curve. Or if you choose another value, you will get another member of the curve. Now we shall choose the one parameter family of the curve. Okay, next one. As when we have the equation of the one parameter family like this. Suppose this is 1a, C being the parameter. We can generate two equations from these equations. We can generate one more equation. So this is one equations, and just differentiate this equation with respect to, I think it is a mistake here. It will be, you have to be, make it C. Okay, I'll send it. I have to make it C. So this equation you will get another form. Okay. Now I want to tell you one more thing, that this is a mistake. I will correct it. Okay, there is one. It will be C. Okay. Before sending, I will correct it. Okay. Next thing is that now if we eliminate, now so we are having these two equations. So now our task is to eliminate C between these two equations. Okay. So we shall get the desired equation of the envelope. But you have to prove that that desired equation will touch each member of this family of the curve. Okay. So proof. First, now we are going to prove this assertion. What is that assertion? Okay, so we can come to that before, right? So this is our definition, and we are going to prove the definition now. Okay, so you see, first let us suppose that fxyc with C as a parameter represents a family of the straight lines. Okay, then we can write, now we can write fxyc. You see, it is not equality sign, it is equivalent sign. Okay, so y minus fc into x minus phi c. So we generate some fc, okay, which has the same expression, and phi is another. So say x square x plus a whole square is equal to 1, suppose. So you can always represent in this form. Okay, where phi c is some function of c. That we will do it afterward. You can see that every equation of this form can be represented in this form. Now we differentiate this equation. What is that equation? So we just go on differentiating. So it is f dash c with respect to c. Remember it, f dash c, and this side into x minus plus phi dash c equals to 0. Okay, you will get it. Both side minus, so you can get it. So what is the value of x? Value of x is this, phi dash c by f dash c. So our first duty is to differentiate that equation to get some value of x. Say it is gc. Say it is gc. Okay, and so you get from 1, put the value of x here. So you will get y is equal to this equation. Say this is hc. Is a function of hc. Is it easy to get? We just see that x is equal to gc and y is equal to hc are two parametric equations. They are two parametric equations, and it gives the x is satisfied by this equation, y is satisfied by this equation. So x, y are the coordinates of the points of the family of the curves. That means that the points, which points lie on the family of the curves, that is lie on the curves of, on the members of the curves of the family. So we can get in terms of c. So x is expressed in terms of c and y is expressed in terms of c. So curve fxy0 is equal to 0, they are obtained by eliminating c, 1 and 2. Now this equation, these two equations are obtained from this equation and this equation, is not it? They are obtained by eliminating c from 1 and it is set 2. So it should be 1a. Let me see it again. First one, second one, 1a and 1b. That means just eliminating these two, we are getting these two equations. Here it is differentiation with it and put it equal to 0, you will get that equation. Okay. Now I am showing you some examples. Say this is the family of curves. Okay. And the value of c is c1, here it is c2, here it is c3, here it is c4, and dot 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 cn. So there are n curves. Okay, and touching n points of this curve. So this curve is the envelope. It touches every member of the curve. Okay, actually no point on this envelope is keeps empty like this. Okay, like this, but we cannot draw it. Understood? These are family of parabolas, and touched by this curve. So this is the envelope. We have another figure. You see, this is the family of circles. Confined these two value, and this is one envelope and this is another envelope. So y is equal to x plus root over 2 and y is equal to x minus root over 2. So envelope may be any curve starting from the straight line to any curve. Okay, so this is another envelope. So it touched at 2 points of each and every member of the family of the curve. Third example is like this. You see, now this type of, this is the curve. This curve mostly appears in your mobile signals. Okay, whenever you are talking to somebody else, your mobile is connected with the different mobile of your friends, and then when you are talking, your talking is converted first to the electrical signals which comes out in this form. This is signal. Okay, now this curve is touched by each point of this family of the curves. Each one is a family. Small, small, small. This is a curve. This is another curve. Okay, and this one is also another lower envelope and upper envelope of the signal. Okay, so this is the practical application of envelope. Okay. Next, this is another example. This is a ellipse, and these are 4 envelopes. There are 4 envelopes. Here also it is touching, here also it is touching. Okay, here also it is touching, here also it is touching. So these are 4 envelopes, and it looks like a diamond, in 2-dimensional diamond. It is a rhombus. Okay, so this is the picture of the envelopes. Now the point C point, that is GC and AC, say the equation of the tangent given by y minus HC, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So equation of the tangent at any point here, and this is the coordinate of the equation of the tangent, and this is the gradient of the tangent. Okay, where we have used h dash c by g dash c is dy dx. You see here, h dash c by, so dy dx is h dash c by g dash c. Okay, so we will get dy dx fc. Thus we get from 5 that this with this y minus fc into x ic equals to 0 with phi c is equal to, so as we have explained here, that every equation can be converted to this form. Okay, now we are doing it here. You see here phi c, if you change the phi c from here, if you change the phi c with this here in equation 5, so this equation 5, if we put phi c equals to this, then it will get it in this form. Okay, as I explained earlier, that every equation fxyc can be reduced in this form with phi c, a new function of c, like this hc minus fc into gc. So this is the reason we can find it. Now we shall prove the result for any one parameter family, but we have not proved the result. We have seen that only the equation can be converted to this form. We shall assume that the family have an envelope E. So let the name of the envelope be E. Then the points where the family of the curves touches the envelope, say at C, envelope E touches the certain curve at C, here will be comma, are functions of the parameter C. So the point where it touches the envelope are functions of the parameter C, that is HC or GC. Let the point of contact be phi C and this is psi C and phi C. Okay. Okay, these two. Okay. When the parametric equation of the envelope, so parametric equation represents the point of contact with the envelope. Now the equation of the tangent at xy to the given curve is written in this form. You know from your previous knowledge of calculus, that's capital X minus X del f del x plus capital Y minus Y del f del Y equals to 0, where f is this function. Okay, the equation of the tangent at C to the envelope is given as, from this equation is given as this one. Okay, the equation to the tangent at C to the envelope is given as this one. Tangent at C, remember, tangent at C Okay. Now 6 and 7 are both. This is from our calculus and this is from geometry. Okay. So these two equations are same. If these two equations are same, represent the same tangent. Okay. Same equation. Both are same equation, but looks in a different form. Now equation 6 and 7 are identical. That is, they represent the same tangent. We have from 6 and 7. So let us see again 6 and 7. What we have written, this one equals to 0. This one equals to 0. Just calculate, see, this one equals to 0. Okay. Now we are having this equation. So differentiating this with respect to C. Okay. Actually, here will be one equation equals to 0. I have to put equals to 0. Okay. Okay, equals to 0. Now what will happen to it? First, the whole function has been differentiated with respect to f. Then the function is differentiated with respect to x, and x is differentiated with respect to c. Then the same one procedure with respect to y, and that goes to equals to 0. Consequently, this part is equals to 0 from 6 and 7. So del f del c equals to 0. Hence the result that envelope is obtained by eliminating c from the two equations mentioned at the beginning, 1a and 1b. So the result follows. What we did here, we get the tangent here, and then the two equation of the tangent is identical. So we got this equation 0, and from this equation we have derived these equations. So in the beginning, what was there? What was our claim? Our claim was that from these two equations you have to, but by eliminating c between these two equations, we got the equation of the touching point. X is equal to gc and y is equal to hc. Okay. So two touching point in terms of the c. Now here we are getting from this equation, we got that from this equation, we got this equation using the identical equation, that is getting the tangent. After getting the tangent of two equations with the same values. Okay. So the touching point, it is touching point, that is the same tangent. Tangent gives you this. Means that to get the tangent, we have to use this equation and this equation. To get the tangent, we have to use this equation and this equation. So this is our 1a and 1b proved. Okay. Now this is where we shall do some. So using this procedure, we shall do some mathematics. Okay. Let us do it here. Okay. What is the equation? Let the family of the envelope B, let the family of the envelope B say y is equal to, okay, let us take next page. Y is equal to xm plus root over a square m square plus b square. Okay. So this is a equation of the straight line. So you have to find out the envelope of this family of straight lines. Okay. Envelope of the family of straight lines. Okay. So here our equation is this. So we can write it as y minus mx whole square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay. So we can write it as m square x square minus a square minus 2xym plus y square minus b square equals to 0. Okay. Now this is our equation, that is fxy c. Now we differentiate this equation with respect to m is there. So a and b we neglect it. Okay. For a and b we neglect this equation, but m we have treated as parameter. So this equation is nothing but f x y m equals to 0. Okay. Now differentiate this equation with respect to m. What will get? Twice m into x square minus a square minus 2xy equals to 0. Okay. From here we get m is equal to xy by x square minus a square. So we have to eliminate between m. So differentiating this equation, we are getting the value of m. Now put the value of m here. Put the value of m here. So it is nothing but xy, or put the value here m. Okay. Or we can put the value here m. Okay. No problem, because this is fxic. We'll get the equation, that equation. So what is the equation? So put the value m square. So xy by x square minus a square whole square into x square minus a square. Okay. Minus 2xy m. So xy divided by x square minus a square m plus y square minus b square equals to 0. Now if you simplify this, it will convert to x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. This is an ellipse. So what is the procedure? Find out this, then differentiate this equation with respect to x, y, m. Okay. Differentiate it with respect to first derivative. So m with respect to m. So I'm writing it here m. Okay. M, and put this equals to 0. Find out the value of m from here and put the value of m here. You will get the equation. So this procedure you have to follow. Okay. Let us do another one. Very easy. Let x square cos theta plus y square sin theta equals to a square. Okay. Now here, so this is equation in this form, f x y theta equals to 0. So differentiate this equation with respect to theta. So x square sin theta minus y square cos theta equals to 0. From here, you have to, this equation and this equation, you have to eliminate theta. And if you eliminate, I'm not going into the details of the calculation because that is your task. You can do it. You will get this equation, x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 4. Okay. This is the equation of the envelope. So this is nothing but derivative. So eliminate theta between these two equations. Understood? So this way, I think it is clear. Okay, another equation. Let us consider the curve as x to the power 2/3 plus y to the power 2/3. I shall not do the details calculation. I will do the procedure only. Okay. Now this is the equation of the curve. So you have to find out the envelope of this curve. Okay. family of the curves, because if you take A, so you have to eliminate A from this equation and that equation. Okay. Let us take x is equal to A cos cube theta and y is equal to A sine cube theta. Remember this. So what is minus dx dy, that you can calculate as cos theta by sine theta. Okay. Okay. No need to find out this dy dx. Okay. They have done another one. Okay. Differentiate this equation. So, what is the use of doing it? Okay, leave it. No need. Now differentiate this with respect to A. With respect to A. That means A x to the power 2/3 plus y to the power 2/3 minus a to the power 2/3 equals to 0. Okay. So this is f x y a. A is the parameter. So differentiate this equation with respect to A. What you will get? You will get something. Do that. Differentiate this with respect to A. Can anyone doing? Tell me. Put del x dex. Okay. Before doing this, I have to let you know that is this equation is not of the usual form. Okay. So you have to convert it to a to some other form. That in that after that you can do it. Okay. So okay, I'll do it later. Let me first explain you this one. Leave that sum for some time. Okay. Let x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to twice 80. Okay. These are the equation of can anyone tell parametric equation of, can anyone tell parabola or ellipse? Suppose the equation is given in this form, then what is, you should know it. What is the equation of this in this form, whether it is parabola or ellipse? You should know
So it is
it is
parabola.
parabola. Okay, yeah, right. It's parabola. So x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to, so then what is dx dy? Find it out. What is dx dy? Tell me the result. Is it t? Is it t?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is t. Okay. Then what is the equation of the normal at t point of this curve? Equation of the normal. That's why we didn't find out the dy dx. We get in dx dy. So y at t point means twice at, that is equal to minus t into x minus at square. Check whether it is correct or not. So this is the equation of the normal at this point of the curve. Okay. So y is equal to minus tx plus twice at plus at cube. Now why this minus sign? Because mm dash equals to minus 1. Mm dash equals to minus 1. Okay. So this is the equation of the normal at that point. Now we can find out the envelope. Just differentiate this equation with respect to t. What will get? Differentiate this equation with respect to t. What will get? Minus x plus 2a plus 3at square equals to 0. Okay. Then here t square is equal to how much? X minus 2a by 3a. Okay. Now you have to eliminate, this is t. You have to eliminate, say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So eliminate t from these two equations. Okay. So eliminate t from these two equations. Just eliminate it. You will get the result 9 y square is equal to 4 into x minus 2a whole cube divided by 3a. And just simplify it. You will get it. Now see, to get 27 a y square is equal to 4 into x minus 2a whole cube. Okay. Now here, is that curve is envelope? Is that curve is envelope? The question comes. Now see, here we have found out the dx dy, then we have found out the equation of the of the normal at the point t. Okay, that is 2at square and twice at. So and then we differentiate this equation, we'll getting this one. And then we have eliminated t from these two equations. Okay, from 1 and 2. And we get these equations. So is that the evaluate envelope of this family of the curve? How to prove that this is the envelope of the family of the curve? Okay. No, this is not the envelope of the family of the curve. This curve is known as evaluate. Evaluate. This is not the envelope. This is the evolute. That means you take this is the curve, you take the tangent normal of the curve at this point concerned, okay? Then you take the derivative of the curve and put that derivative equals to 0 and eliminate the parameter from these two equations. You will get a curve which called the evolute. So evolute is nothing but the envelope of the normals to the curve. Envelope of the normals to the curve. Okay. Now this is something extra thing that we have given you today. Extra thing that we have given you today. But in the next class, once you know the envelope, evolute is envelope, evolute is automatically comes. So it is not mentioned in the syllabus that envelope is there, but evolute is not there. So you have to read this one, evolute. Okay. So remember this fact. So the procedure I have given, that this is the parametric equation of the curve. So this is a parabola, and so find out the tangent, find out the normal of the curve to the curve at the point concerned, then differentiate that curve with respect to the parameter, and then eliminate the parameter from these two equations. You will get a curve that is called the evaluate. Now evaluate is nothing but the envelope to the normals of the curve. So this is not directly to the envelope of the curve, but it is normals, envelope of the normals to the curve. So tomorrow, in next class, I will explain it. Now, first of all, this find out the evaluate of this curve. Okay. So you know the procedure. Now here you will take evaluate, not the envelope. First find out the evaluate of the curve. Okay. So x is equal to, take a cos cube theta, and y is equal to a sine cube theta. Okay. So find out then dx dy, that is equal to cos theta by sine theta. Okay. Then find out the normal at theta point. Find out the normal at theta point. Theta point means this point. So normal at theta point means y minus a sine cube theta, that is equal to cos theta by sine theta into x minus a cos cube theta. Okay. If you simplify this, then it comes out as x minus cos theta minus y sine theta, that is equals to a sine twice theta. So from here, this steps comes. Okay. So differentiate this with respect to theta, you will get, sorry, here is, here I made a mistake. It is x cos theta minus. So it will be x sine theta differentiating plus y cos theta is equal to twice a sine twice theta. Sine or cos, it will be here, sine, it will be here, oh, I made a mistake here. it should be cos theta, cos twice theta. So it is sine twice theta. Okay. So from this point, now we have to eliminate theta between, we have to eliminate theta. So you will get x and y from these two equation. This is the equation and its derivative is the equation. So x will be given as a bracket cos theta plus sin theta into sin twice theta, and y is equal to a sin theta plus cos theta into sin twice theta. Okay. So we get x plus y and x minus y like this. We get find out x plus y and x minus y. We'll get these two expressions, and x plus y and n minus y. How much it is? A cos theta plus sin theta whole cube, and x minus y is a cos theta minus sin theta whole cube. Okay, so x plus y 2/3 cube, so make it 2/3, so this becomes square plus x minus y 2/3. Okay, and this is equals to, make it 2/3, and then the inside 2 becomes square, so it will come out as twice a to the power 2/3. So this is the equation of the evaluate. Okay, of the curve x to the power 2/3 plus y to the power 2/3 is equal to a to the power 2/3. Okay, but how to find out the envelope of this curve? You procedure, general procedure we found out. Okay, I'll give you another one in the next page. In the next page, I'll give you another one. Okay, let y our find the envelope of the circles. Now see, the question is different. Find the envelope of the circles. There is family of circles. Passes through vertex of the parabola. What is that parabola? Y square is equal to 4ax, and whose center, that is, lies on the parabola. Okay, how to do this sum? Okay, let a t square and twice a t be a point P be on the parabola. Okay, so it is on the parabola, and let this is a center of the circle, because whose center lies on it, that is parabola. So it is also the center of the circle. But the circle passes through as the circle passes through the vertex, as the circle passes through the vertex, of the parabola. So this parabola vertex is at 0, 0. Okay. So, and this parabola circle, all circles are passing through the vertex of this parabola. So radius of the circle. So radius of the, can anyone tell what is the radius? Find the envelope of the circles. Okay. Passes through the vertex of the parabola, this. So what is the vertex of this parabola? 0, 0. So what is the radius of the circle? I am writing it, but you should know it. A square t to the power 4 plus 4 a square t square. This is the radius. Okay. That means if I draw it, so y square is equal to 4ax. So it is passing through this is the parabola, and the circle is passing through this point. Okay. All circles are passing through this point, and center lies on it. Center lies on it. So some whose center lies on the parabola. So all the circles are passing through this point, and its center lies on this parabola. So is like a circle. So hence the equation of the circle, we know the radius. So x minus at square whole square. This is any point on the parabola. Okay. Plus y minus 2at whole square is equal to radius square x square t, a square t to the power 4 plus 4 a square t square. Okay. Now this is the equation of the circle. Okay. Let P be on the PB. So center is here. Any point on the parabola is this, and whose center lies on it. So circle center are the points on the parabola. So this is the center. So x minus alpha whole square minus y minus beta whole square is the radius square. This is the equation. Understood? So if you simplify it, you will get an equation of f, x, y, and t. Okay, t is the parameter. Understood? Now, I am writing it here again. Say it would like this at x square plus y square minus 2ax t square minus 4ay t equals to 0. Okay. Now, it is a quadratic in t, you see. It is a quadratic in t. So t has two roots. Find the values of the t and put it here. You will get the answer. No need to do any differentiation. Okay. So you can put it as twice ax t square minus plus 4ayt minus x square plus y square equals to 0. So what is our duty? Our duty is to eliminate t from here, eliminate t. So this is a quadratic in t, so t has two roots, okay? So required envelope is, just you can do it, differentiate this and eliminate t between these two equations, okay? We'll get the result. So this type of sums are common, but you must know the radius. So I am not doing these calculations, how to find the radius if this is, center is circle here and it is passing through the vertex. Okay, all circles are passing through the vertex and center lies on this parabola. From these two conditions, radius will come out. Okay, this is our, today I want to finish it, but I want to tell you again that you do x to the power 2/3 plus y to the power 2/3 is equal to a to the power 2/3 as, find out the envelope of this curve. Envelope of this curve. Find out the envelope of this curve. Okay. This is your homework. Not assignment, homework. Okay. I am not giving you the assignment. Now, one more thing I want to tell you. After correcting, I'll be send it by night, this one, okay? This is the, most probably this is the mostly about your envelope, how to find it, and but there are two theorems that I will take it in the next class. There are two theorems. This is the procedure how to find out the envelope, okay? So del f del c, and the function you eliminate c between these two equations. That is the resulting equations will be the envelope. So mostly you have to follow this method and evaluate. You have to do it. Evaluate. You have to do it. Okay. One more example I want to show you like this. Suppose the curve equation is like this. This is your homework. X square cos theta plus y square sin theta is equal to a square, and theta is the parameter. Okay, so you can do it also. Say it is in this form: f x y theta is equal to x square cos theta plus y square sin theta minus a square equals to 0. Okay. So what is fx? Twice x cos theta. This is fx, means partial derivative with respect to x. Okay. Then what is fy? Is equal to twice y sin theta. What is f theta? Is equal to minus x square sin theta plus y square cos theta. Okay. Now this fx is equal to 0 at 0 0. Okay. Fy is equal to 0 at 0 0. Okay. But 0 0 is not a point on the curve, because if these put are equal to 0, A becomes equals to 0, but okay. So it does not becomes resulting RHS never becomes the LHS. So these two cannot be equal to 0. So let us put this equals to 0. You see, okay. So if this equals to 0, then x square sine theta is equal to y square cos theta. That means sine theta by y square is equal to cos theta by x square, and that is nothing but 1 by root over x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. How did I get it? Just square it and add it. You will get this one. Okay. So sine theta equals to y square by root over x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4, and cos theta equals to x square divided by root over x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. We know it. So from the equation of the curve, what is the equation of the curve? Put the value of cos theta here and sin theta here. So you will get x to the power 4 plus root over x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 divided by root over x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4, that is equal to s to the power 4. Okay, a square, sorry, this is a square, this is a square. Okay, from here put the value of cos theta and sin theta. So now you simplify it, what you will get? X to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 4. So envelope of this curve is this curve. That means here I am not considering the usual method. Okay, I am not considering the usual method. Check. Just derivative and put it equal to 0. But if we do not consider this point, okay, here these 2 points, just simply consider this one, you will get this curve also. So our procedure is more or less general procedure. No need to consider this one. Okay. So this is about your envelope. So just write down the assignment now. Do it. Envelope. Assignment 1. Family of the curve. I am just writing down the family of the curve. F, X, Y, alpha. That is equal to A, equivalent to A x square sec square alpha plus B square Y square cosec square alpha, that is equal to minus A square minus B square whole square equals to 0. Okay, find the envelope. only envelope. Next is assignment 1A, 1B. So that, write down, so that the envelope of straight lines, you write down, which join the extremities of conjugate diameters of an ellipse is a similar ellipse. Okay, this is B and this is C. Find the envelope of the family of the curve. Family of the curve is given as f x y theta is equivalent to a square by x cos theta minus b square by y sin theta is equal to c square by a. So parameter is theta. Remember this. Find the envelope. Here, envelope. Find the envelope. Here also envelope. Okay, this is difficult, but these two are typical. Okay, you can do it. So these three are the first assignment. Understood? And one is homework. Answer to the homework is I shall give you the answer, but answer to the homework is given by, let me tell you the answer. Answer to the homework will be given by x by no, you do it first. Okay, very easy answer, you can do it. Okay, okay, now you send the your name and roll number one after another. Yes, gone sending. And those who are sending, you can leave now. Send the by day after tomorrow. Send the, not day after tomorrow, say by 30th. By 30th, I shall take class on day after tomorrow. I shall take class on day after tomorrow.
স্যার
ইয়েস,
স্যার
বলো।
বলছিলাম যে যেটা করালেন ওটা আমাদেরকে পাঠাতে পারবেন?
হ্যাঁ, পাঠিয়ে দেবো তো, পাঠিয়ে দেবো। আজকেই পেয়ে যাবে হয়তো। হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
আজকেই
ঠিক
পেয়ে
আছে।
যাবে। অঙ্কগুলো পাবে না, যেগুলো আমি করিয়েছি সেগুলো টুকে নিতে হবে।
আচ্ছা
আর যেটা কিছু অঙ্ক আমি পাঠাবো পরে, কিন্তু লেটে পাঠাবো, পরে পাঠাবো। ঠিক আছে?
ঠিক আছে স্যার। হ্যাঁ স্যার।
যারা যারা দিয়েছো তারা যেতে পারো।
স্যার,
ওকে।
স্যার অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট কবে সাবমিট করব?
অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট সাবমিট করবে 30 তারিখের মধ্যে। ঠিক আছে?
ওকে স্যার।
ওকে,
ওকে স্যার।
ওকে।